Hello and welcome. And my name is Dwayne Richards, and I wanted to share with you a productivity tip and make life easier. And let's learn how to use this thing, this cell phone. Depending, now I use an iPhone, so this works for the iPhone. It also works. There's a different way to do it, but you could also do it with your Android. And what it is I'm going to show you how you can use the Notes feature to scan documents. Now, it's super important. Now, or useful is when could be like lots of parents now, you're actually homeschooling and maybe you have to take a scan some of the homework to send into your teachers. For me as an advisor and an accountant, I have clients that need to sign documents or scan documents to me. Instead of needing to buy a separate scanner, you can actually scan the documents, like scanning receipts. A great way to use the power of your phone to scan receipts to attach, because you need to keep receipts, but you don't necessarily need to keep the paper copy. So just hang in there for 1 second while I jump over to screen that, or share the screen on the iPhone. Also a handy tip that I recently recorded a video on how to do this. So if you want to learn how to do this quick trick, check out my my video on how to use your phone on screen share while recording a Zoom. So there's the screen. There's my phone screen. So now I don't have to hold this up. You can see it right on the screen. I'm going to go into Notes, open up Notes, and then see down at the bottom, right down here, I'm going to use the cursor and give a couple circles around. There's the camera button there. So I'm going to hit on the camera button and look right there. Abracadabra, look at that. It's scan documents. So now I'm going to hit scan documents and look at that. I can, and what I'm going to do is actually go over here and just take a quick, so Get Online 4-Day Challenge is coming up next week. So if you're watching this video and you want to learn about some tips and tricks, now I can actually move that out to make it a little bit bigger. Make sure, look at that, I can do that. And then just hit keep scan. And there you go, into my photos. And now I can use that to post up to Facebook. That's pretty handy, right? Let me just turn off, and then you can just same thing, swipe up, zoom, and I can just stop mirroring, and then I can do a quick stop sharing my screen. So that's a quick trick on how to, that's right, how to use your phone to scan documents. And if you're watching this today, type in, just type in if you want to get into next week's 4-day challenge on how to get online. Going to be showing you how to use Calendly, Zoom, and Google Calendar all connected up so that you can actually book meetings with clients without actually having to even do any back and forths. Just let clients book their own meetings on your calendar. I've been using it now for 2-3 weeks, and it's changed my business. Automate, add productivity, and save yourself time by putting in, that's right, systems. Save yourself some time, energy, and money by putting in systems. So tune in next week for the 4-day challenge starting on Tuesday. All right, hope you liked the tip. If you liked it, it's okay to share it. Hit the like, share it. Sharing's caring, as one of my friends says. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.